Covered by ancient rainforests, the island is a hotspot of biodiversity. Here, vast mangrove forests are home to the strangest creatures. Colourful coral reefs teem with life. But Eden has a dark side too. Typhoons regularly lash the island. But soon Iliomote blazes again, in breathtaking beauty. It's that quick. But how to get inside? This bird has learned to use the stone as an anvil. It looks easier than it is. This trick is unique to Iliomote kingfishers, and it's passed on through the generations. Looks like a transfer of knowledge is taking place right now. It can't be that hard.